Hello friends, how are you? Hope you are doing well. So our new risk example for sustainability in ESG is we can say supply chain disruptions. Supply chain disruptions. What is the definition of this? Like we can say uh, interruption in supply chain. Okay, interruption in the supply chain practices. Why it is happening? What are the contributing factors? We can say natural disasters, or we can talk about the geopolitical instability, and also the suppliers issues. So three contributing factors, major contributing factors. Then what will be the risk impacts? Basically we can say production delays and also increased costs. Then there can be impact on customers satisfaction and loyalty. Then okay, as we said, impacts on there can be issues related to inventory management. Related challenges also can come. Also we can have financial losses and revenue related impacts also we can have dependency risk on single suppliers or single source suppliers dependencies. Okay, so these can be the risk impact. And what can be the risk control for supply chain disruptions? We can say the diversification of suppliers, and also we can go for supply chain mapping. Okay, supply chain mapping, very good example of risk control measure. We can say we should go for risk assessment and contingency planning. Okay, also we should have strong collaboration and communication with all the suppliers. Okay, also we can talk about some best practices adoption of just-in-time methodology or just-in-time inventory practices. Okay, then next we can talk about monitoring and early warning system for supply chain disruptions. So we can say monitoring and early alarms or alerts for supply chain disruption. So what we have seen in this risk example, that we talk about the risk title called supply chain disruption, interruption in supply chain. This is the definition of this risk title. Then the contributing factors for this risk: natural disasters, geopolitical instability, and supplier related issues. Okay, then what can be the risk impacts? Like we can say production delays and increased costs, impact on customer satisfaction and the loyalty, inventory management related challenges, financial losses and revenue related issues, and single source supplier dependencies we can say as risk impact. And what can be the risk controls? We need to focus on suppliers diversifications and supply chain mapping, and risk assessment and contingency planning, collaboration and communication with the suppliers, strong communication, okay, collaboration also, adoption of just in time inventory related practices, and also very useful monitoring and early alerts of the supply chain disruptions. Thank you very much, friends. Let us start the new example of the new sustainability and ESG risk.